Why do drivers struggle with Windows 11 compatibility? Imagine trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. That's often how it feels for drivers when Windows 11 comes out. Drivers are the software that help your hardware talk to your computer. When a new operating system arrives, it can shake things up. Windows 11 has new system rules, security features, and ways it handles hardware. Older drivers, designed for previous Windows versions, might not fit these new standards. One big reason drivers struggle is because Windows 11 has stricter hardware and security rules. It requires drivers to support features like memory integrity, which is part of a security system called core isolation. If a driver isn't compatible with this, it can cause errors or prevent certain hardware from working. That's why some devices just won't work until their drivers are updated. Another challenge is that Windows 11 updates how drivers are built and what they're relying on. It uses new driver frameworks and application programming interfaces. Drivers written for Windows 10 or earlier might not support these new frameworks, leading to malfunctions or system instability. This means hardware like printers, graphics cards, or audio controllers might not work properly unless the driver gets an update. Some drivers are known to cause issues with Windows 11. For example, certain versions of Intel Smart Sound Technology audio drivers, especially for Intel 11th generation core processors, have been reported as incompatible. These drivers can cause crashes or make it impossible to upgrade to Windows 11 until the manufacturer releases a fix. Manufacturers also play a role. Sometimes they don't release updated drivers right away for Windows 11, especially for older devices. This delay can leave hardware incompatible until new drivers are made available. It can take weeks or even months for updates to roll out, which frustrates users trying to upgrade. Automatic updates from Windows can help, but they don't always get it right. Windows Update might not detect the correct driver version for your hardware. Sometimes you need to manually go into Device Manager or use third-party tools to find and install the right drivers. To see if a driver is causing problems, check Device Manager for warning icons. Windows security settings can also show if memory integrity is turned off because of incompatible drivers. Updating drivers through Windows Update or the manufacturer's website often fixes these issues. In the end, Windows 11's focus on stronger security and modern hardware support means drivers need to be more compatible than ever. This can cause some transitional hiccups, especially for older devices. Other operating systems might handle hardware differently, but Windows 11's approach aims to improve security and performance. Understanding these changes helps users and professionals manage driver compatibility better during the upgrade process.